Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Rakuten button from your browser on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. If you are using Google Chrome, click on the three vertical dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select More Tools. Next, click on Extensions in the submenu. In the Extensions tab, locate the Rakuten button. Once you find it, click on the Remove button next to the Rakuten extension. A confirmation window will appear. To confirm the removal, click Remove again. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Select Add-ons and Themes from the drop-down menu. In the Add-ons tab, click on Extensions on the left side. Find the Rakuten button in the list of installed extensions. Click on the three dots next to it. Select Remove from the options. A confirmation message will appear. Click Remove to finalize the process. For Microsoft Edge users, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Extensions. In the Extensions panel, locate the Rakuten button. Click on the Remove link next to the Rakuten extension. Confirm the removal in the pop-up window by clicking Remove again. After uninstalling, close and restart your browser for the changes to take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled the Rakuten button from your browser on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.